Hey y'all, this is my response for Module 2. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. So the first question that says, what qualifies a student for the supports under the provisions of Section 504 and IDEA? Sorry, I'm looking down at my notebook, by the way. Just please don't think I'm I don't know. Anyways, so I said that there has to be of an age during which it is mandatory under state law to provide such services to persons with disabilities. Another thing is they have to be of an age during which persons without disabilities are provided such services. And then the last thing is that they're entitled to receive a free appropriate public education under the IDEA. So the second question is, what is meant by the term continuum? Continuum? I think that's how you say it. Of services, and why is it important for schools to consider this when considering the placement of students? So I said that it means that it is the range of services that schools must offer, ranging from least to most restrictive. So that would be like the continuum. And then I said it's important because you obviously want to place students according to their different situations. Some students may need to be taught outside the classroom or just need special accommodations for the classroom. And in the continuum services document, it shows the different settings for the continuum that starts with the regular classroom and ends up at the hospitals or like institutions. For the third question, it says, what models of support can be utilized to support students with learning disabilities? And I said there are the 6 models that they use. There's the one teach, one observe, the one teach, one drift, the station teaching, parallel teaching, alternate teaching, and team teaching. And for the last question, it says, what role does multiculturalism or bilingualism play in special education, and what practices or supports can be used to assist students with disabilities with these characteristics? So I said there are so many different cultures that we have in the U.S., meaning that there are also different ethnicities and cultures in the classroom. So in the YouTube video, they mention how the students feel as though they belong, even though their language is different, and that they eventually get it over time. And so even if the students are not special education, they still kind of get the same accommodations, I guess you could say, not in the sense of needing extra, well, I guess they do need extra help, I guess you could say, in order to understand what the other students are getting. And they just need that extra little push in order to fully understand and learn and grasp onto the ideas that you're teaching. So for my question for y'all is, how do you all think that the children that are multicultural or bilingual act and behave in the classroom that is full of people who may or may not speak the same language? And then how do you think teachers respond and react to that student not fully understanding anything or having to give them that extra help in the classroom? So yeah, bye y'all.